In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to get set up with advertising with us. Now, if you upgrade to one of our packages and you're doing the do-it-yourself version where you're going to go ahead and monitor your own advertising and setting your own budgets, we will allow this link or unlock this link for you called advertising. And it's pretty simple. So you're just going to simply put in your name in here. And then you're going to connect Facebook. I'm going to connect my Facebook. I may pause the screen here, so we'll see. Okay, I went ahead and put my credentials in, so now it's going to load my accounts. Just takes a few minutes. And you're going to do the same thing for Google. You just repeat it after you have already linked your Google accounts and your CRM. You're still going to need to link these accounts inside the advertising. And okay, now I'm going to put the two accounts. I'm not going to show you guys what that looks like here, so I'll pause the video. And once that's done, what's going to happen? You're typically going to log into your Facebook page and you're going to have to accept the terms of use for advertising policies. If not, when you go to launch campaign, it's also going to ask you to do that. Now, you can't launch a campaign here until we do one more link established on the back end of our side. So either we can set this up for you when you upgrade, or again, if you do this, you can just shoot a note to our success team and they'll go ahead and get it done. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit launch new campaign. Click on Facebook. And right now it's just AnnuityAI ads. Now, some of you that are doing some customized topics with us, this will become a bigger library of different categories for you that you can click on. But since we're talking about the AnnuityAI portion, we have the AnnuityAI ads in here. And you can see there are a bunch of different ads that you can utilize in here, depending upon, what you want to use. The newer ones are always going to be in the upper side here that have been going out there. Some of the older ones are down here. Doesn't mean that these aren't working. It just means that we keep adding more to the library. And then we change up some of the forms in the background. This has an expanded questionnaire. This one has a limited questionnaire. And you can play around with what's working for you and what's not working for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just select this one since it's the newest one. And you can put in a campaign name if you want. Daily budget, we recommend at least $50 for a daily budget. And then this is what you're going to use for your unique URL. I'm going to put just our website here, but you're going to put your unique URL in this line here. And then a couple of things you can do. You can either just launch the campaign as it is. You can do a radius. This is going to be a radius around where your business is located. Or if you click this optional info, you can do something where you can target a certain city, neighborhood, state, zip code, you name it. You can get a little bit, you can be broad. You can just say, countries, United States. You could just do your state. You can do some certain cities around you if you want to do that way, but you can target a little bit more. I don't recommend playing with some of this other stuff unless you have your own privacy policy. You may want to put your own privacy policy in there. But I don't recommend you playing with this other stuff for now. Now, if you did want to create a new lead form, you could, and you could create some new questions in here. Let's say you don't like the questions that we have, or you just wanted to ask a few more questions. You can actually build a little bit more of that in there. But for the most part, I would play with location and I'd play with this. And then you're just going to hit launch campaign. So just to summarize this really quickly on how easy it is to launch an ad campaign with us, all you have to do is click launch new campaign, click on Facebook, click on the AnnuityAI ads, pick your ad, put your budget in here, pick your radius or change your state, hit launch campaign. And it's as easy as that. Now, the last thing I'm going to tell you is it gives you these two steps in here. Now, you don't need to worry about step two. Step two, we've already taken care of for you. So you're not going to need to worry about that. Step one, you are going to have to do. So what I like to do while this is loading, because this will take a few minutes to load, I like to right click on the settings, open that link in a new tab. And then it says to go to integrations, Facebook form mapping at the top of the page. So we're going to go there. We're going to click down here on integrations on the left-hand side. And we are going to go ahead and click this Facebook form mapping field. And when you click on that, now I have a bunch in here. You're only going to have one up here at the top. You're just simply going to hit map fields. And this should be all dialed in for you. But just if it's not, you just have to select the field, which you're going to look for. How soon are you looking for an annuity? And then you're going to look for are you currently working for a financial professional? And you just hit save. By doing that, now the leads will come into the CRM instead of on your direct Facebook page, but at least you'll be able to have that done. Now, if you go back here, you'll see that the ad was successfully created. If there were any issues, it would tell you in here, but it looks like it's live and it's going to be on Facebook. Now, if I go back to my dashboard, one last thing I'll show you about this since I'm on it. These are going to be pending from Facebook right now. So I'm on my dashboard, I'm clicking these arrows, and you can see it has the 4 different ads. Right now, they're being reviewed by Facebook. Once they're live, you can hit this preview tab and you can see what the ads look like on Facebook. And if you wanted to turn things off, you could. You just turn it off right here. If you wanted to change your daily budget, you can change your daily budget in here. Really easy, a lot of customized things you can do inside here. So thought that might be one last thing to end the video on. Hopefully that helps you, and we'll see you in the next video.